countdown to the biggest ever demolition seen in India has begun. On August 28 at 2:30 pm, two towers that have violated building norms will be brought down in Noida.
3,500 kilograms of explosives
will be used to bring down the two Supertech towers which rise nearly 100 meters above the ground. The 40-story structure is expected to come down in less than 10 seconds.
सुपरटेक के जो दो टावर हैं जिनको डिमोलिश करने के लिए माननीय उच्चतम न्यायालय से आदेश प्राप्त हुआ था, तो जो एडिफिस इंजीनियरिंग कंपनी है उसने हमको एनओसी के लिए प्रार्थना पत्र दिया था, जिसके आधार पर कल मैंने उनको एनओसी जारी कर दी है और एनओसी में जो भी टर्म और कंडीशन है वो सब लिख दी भी गई हैं और ये एक्सप्लोसिव जो नियम हैं उनके अंतर्गत दी गई है।
A South African company, experts at demolition of tall structures, has already fitted the explosives in one of the towers seen. Around 9,400 holes will be drilled in the columns and shears of the skeleton structure of the towers. Residents in a radius of 2 kilometers have been told to move out of their homes at 7 am on Sunday and return only at 4 pm. More than 1,200 cars are being shifted out.
It's as simple as that fact that we have to get out at 7 a.m. or before on the day and be back anytime after 4 p.m. once it's been vetted that the buildings are safe to be reoccupied. Having said that, there is no other further information.
There is a large amount of apprehension in the mind and heart, and of course we are extremely worried, and so we are doing a lot of things, planning in our minds whether to keep, carry all the documents or whether to, place all our wall-mounted TVs and paintings on the bed, how to safeguard the glass doors. So a lot of things on the mind, and yes, a lot of apprehensions as well.
A huge contingent of UP police will be deployed to ensure curious onlookers don't get anywhere close to the towers as they are reduced to rubble. Bureau Report, India Today.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.